You made yourself a lovely little secret spot. No flies. It's really nice and cool over here. This tree is lovely. Like maybe a couple ants, but not really, because this is actually a pile of just dirt that they moved from construction, so it's clean. There's nothing in it. I thought it was like a giant termite hive, but no. I got a little bit closer up. It's not. You can always prop a umbrella over there, hold the branches up a teeny bit higher. So I got my umbrella. And it's really nice and comfy. It doesn't stink, there's no smell. I haven't noticed any mosquitoes. Look, there's a teeny little guy. Whoop.